Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Today I would like to present a topic entitled Voice of Resistance and Black Feminism in Maya Angelou Still I Rise. Next. Okay, the poet background. Maya Angelou was an American writer, poet, and civil rights activist born on April 4, 1928 in St. Louis, Missouri. She is the best known for her autobiographical work, Unaway the Catch Breed, Sings, and her poem Still I Rise, which highlight themes of identity, racism, and personal resilience. Next. Ini adalah salah satu karya Maya Angelou yang sangat terkenal. Dia juga terkenal untuk tadi menyanyikan lagu itu. Dan ini salah satu karya yang paling terkenal. Ini ada pada kalau Still I Rise itu dia punya structure and format itu adalah three verse atau itu bisa disebut sebagai frasa bebas. In Still I Rise by Maya Angelou, the poem is written in three verse, meaning it does not follow a fixed rhyme, scheme, matter, or consistent structural pattern. The story behind the voice of black woman. Jadi Still I Rise by Maya Angelou represents the powerful voice of black women who have been historically oppressed by both racism and patriarchy in America. Jadi sebenarnya puisi Still I Rise ini merupakan salah satu memang karya yang paling terkenal. Nah, tapi puisi Still I Rise ini dia berbicara tentang bagaimana keberanian individu secara umum, juga bagaimana suara perempuan atau bisa disebut sebagai black woman's voice yang selama berabad-abad ditekan oleh sistem rasisme dan patriarki di Amerika. Nah, Maya juga menjadikan puisinya sebagai media untuk mengembalikan suara yang selama ini dibuka oleh sejarah, budaya, dan kekuasaan sosial. Dia juga menjelaskan kalau di konteks ini suara perempuan politik itu bukan sekadar suara literal, bukan melainkan simbol identitas, keberanian, harga diri, pengalaman historis, dan bagaimana perjuangan sosial perempuan Afrika dan Amerika. Nah, makanya ini sangat penting dipahami bahwa perempuan politik di Amerika itu mereka itu memiliki penindasan ganda. Mereka tidak hanya mengalami diskriminasi ras sebagai orang kulit hitam, tetapi juga mengalami diskriminasi gender sebagai seorang perempuan. Salah satu bentuk paling jelas dari suara perempuan kulit hitam itu dalam puisi ini terlihat melalui nada bicara dari Maya. Dia sangat percaya diri, dia berani dan menantang. Juga dalam banyak karya-karyanya, perempuan sering digambarkan sebagai sosok lembut, diam, pasif, atau bergantung pada laki-laki. Next. Theme of social oppression. The theme of social oppression in Still I Rise by Maya Angelou reflects the experiences of racism, discrimination, and inequality faced by black people, especially black women. The poem shows how the speaker is humiliated and oppressed, but she continues to rise with confidence and strength. Through this resistance, Angelou emphasizes resilience, dignity, and the refusal to be defeated by racism and sexism. Psychological aggression. Jadi dalam psychological ini, Still I Rise ini adalah puisi menunjukkan powerful voice dari black woman. Jadi tapi dari psychological aggression is an important theme in Still I Rise because Maya Angelou showed how society has to diminish the speaker's confidence, identity, and self-worth through racism and discrimination. The speaker faced continuous negativity and humiliation meant to make her feel weak and inferior. However, law used a figurative language to emphasize resistance, empowerment, and the strength of black women. The metaphor I rise as does represent marginalized black identities that cannot be destroyed despite discrimination. The poem also used vivid imagery to describe emotional pain caused by racism and prejudice. Repetition of the phrase "I rise" strengthens the speaker's confidence and determination. In addition, hyperbole irony so that the more society tries to oppress black women, the stronger and more powerful they become. Overall, the figurative language in the poem reinforces theme of freedom, dignity, and black female empowerment. Next. Okay. Phonological features. Maya Angelou used sound devices such as repetition, alliteration, rhythm to create a strong and empowering, emphasizes confidence, resistance, and resilience against oppression. The tone of the poem is bold, confident, and empowering, while the mood is inspiring, uplifting. Through these elements, Angelou encouraged readers to remain strong and rise above discrimination and inequity. Critical interpretation. Maya Angelou presents Still I Rise as a poem about resistance, identity, and empowerment. From a black feminist perspective, the poem shows how black women face racial and gender oppression, while the speaker refuses to be silenced by stereotypes. Okay, next. Okay, relevance to modern society. Still I Rise remains relevant in modern society because it reflects ongoing issues such as racism, sexism, and psychological aggression. The poem's message of rising symbolizes resilience in facing modern challenges like social media pressure, academic stress, and criticism, and also connects to continuing gender inequality and racial discrimination, where marginalized groups still struggle for discrimination, for equality and dignity. So, thank you guys for your attention. Terima kasih banyak.